Reliability, no doubt. Reliability, the amount of jobs you can keep set up on the machine. I was telling you earlier, we've probably got 10 jobs set up on this machine, waiting to go at any point.
And how do you control the accuracy of the part? How do you make sure that what you get off here is right?
We have a CMM set up, we've got a good quality team here. We do internal checks with the probing as well, we have gauges. So we do a lot of stuff off the machine with the parts themselves, but we're getting to the point now where we have got a better system for probing within the cycle.
Twin spindle, twin turret, half indexing on the bottom turret?
That's correct, yeah. So we've got 15 stations on the upper turret, 12 stations on the lower with half indexing. This particular model has an 80mm spindle capacity. We've also got Y-axis, importantly, on both turrets with plus or minus 40mm on the Y-axis, driven tool in on every station.
Okay, and then the head technology. Now this is slightly different to what you'll see shortly on the Norma, but the principle is the same, isn't it? Being able to get to lots of different angles.
Correct. But for us, we do a lot of face working, which is set up for now. We do a lot of angular drilling, and this head is specifically designed for that kind of pressures through the head.
How do the gears compare in regards to accuracy, in regards to surface finish and repeatability?
We're actually getting better quality than off the gear machines because you're using carbide cutters, so the surface finish is phenomenal. And also the variation, you can put crowning on there, barreling, tip relief, whatever you want really, and it's really made the machines a lot more flexible.
Now I mentioned some people might not have heard of these, but give me an example of a customer who has bought one or even more.
Well, we've actually got one customer in particular in Clacton called Delau. Delau is a company that use machines nothing but plastic. Okay, come to us for a solution on the job they had, currently being made on a fixed head in around about 2 hours. We actually got that down on this current machine to just over 15 minutes.
To grabbing a piece of brass, throwing it in the lathe, Fusion carried it up, post-process checked it, and just quickly from one machine to the other until I had it in my hand. It's not complicated. Yes, there are many things that we can skate over, which maybe apprentice-trained people, and those skill sets I'm still trying to learn off other people pulling that knowledge. But from an operation point of the machines, it's been a fun journey.
The Hoffman Group used MTD CNC to produce a live stream whilst they were exhibiting at Subcon in September 2021. John, what were the successes that came from your live stream with us?
Well, Lyndsey, we had quite an excited launch. As you know, we launched our guaranteed savings plan, and I can honestly tell you the results were phenomenal. We secured a six-figure sum of business from that live stream.
Directly from the live stream?
Directly from that live stream.
How wonderful is that? And that's now, that isn't going forward either.
Absolutely. You know, absolutely. That will turn into repeat business year on year.
Right, and you are also using us as a live stream to produce one on Tuesday during MACH. So
absolutely.
Why have you done this?
Well, why wouldn't we? After the success of what we did at Subcon, I mean, you know, it's a no-brainer, Lyndsey. We have to do it again. We've got to spread the word.
Absolutely. Can't wait. We'll be seeing you and you during MACH Week from 3 till 5 on the Hoffman Group stand.